Welcome to Skin Beauty Pal. This video will help you on how to use and make the most of the Backend panel. So, let's start with a quick overview. Skin Beauty Pal provides simple and easy to use Backend panel and access for Clinic app. Through the Backend panel, the admin staff of the clinic can manage all the displayed information and operation on the Clinic app. Once logged in, you will arrive at the home page. The home page of the Backend panel shall show the following icons: Dashboard, Doctor, Patient, Influencer, Manage Gallery, Blogs, Feedback, Beauty Tips. Dashboard. It is the first icon that will appear at the top left side of the page. The dashboard helps to analyze and study the user behavior through graphs. Doctor. This is the second icon on the top left side of the page. Doctor's profile can be created or edited here. Create profile of all doctors of the clinic, including senior doctor and junior doctors. Summary of all doctors present on the Clinic app can be seen here. Once you enter the page, click on the Add button. This button will enable to create a doctor's profile. To edit an existing doctor's profile, click on the Edit button below the Action heading. To delete doctor's profile, click on the Delete button below the Action heading. Once you click on the Add button, it will open out to the following page. Enter all the details and credentials of doctor in relevant fields. Update the profile picture and profile information of doctor. Each doctor can have their own login ID for the app login. Patient. The entire list of patients who have used the app will appear here. You can view user details such as name, email, location, registered date, selected doctor name, consultation fee, clinic code, attached images and status. Upon clicking the View button under the Action heading, you can view the quick measure details of the patient. Influencer. This is the fourth icon on the top left side of the page. Blogs and articles can be uploaded by various authors. Apart from the doctors listed on the app, if you would like to carry article by other skin experts, their profile need to be created as an influencer. Similar to adding a new doctor, click on the Add button. Once the page opens, fill in all details of the influencer and submit. And influencer details can be edited or deleted at any time, just like in the page of doctor. Manage Gallery. This is the fifth icon on the top left side of the page. In this section, various images of clinic interior can be uploaded. These images will appear on app for patients to view. Once the page opens, select the doctor name and attach relevant clinic images. Numerous images can be uploaded. An image can be deleted by clicking on the delete sign, which is located on the top right corner of each image. Blogs. This is the sixth icon on the top left side of the page. Various blogs can be uploaded here along with images and videos. Once you open the page, click on Add button. Enter details like blog title, blog content, attach image, select the author and post the blog. On the summary page of all blogs, there is Edit, Delete and Comments button available under the Action column. Feedback. Here you can view the feedback given by patients after the consultation with doctor. The feedback will include the user's name, remote consult date and time, ratings and comments. Beauty tips. Upload daily beauty tips or notifications from here. Use this platform to send daily short tips related to skincare and health to your patients. Profile. This icon is located in the top right side of the page. On clicking on the button, you can edit the account information such as login ID, password, and clinic logo. Thank you.